Hey guys, my name is Michael, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the iMessage app icon template. With this template, you can quickly render all iMessage app icon sizes from a single size. You can smart preview your app icon inside iOS screenshots, both on the App Store and other native environments. And you obviously get the classic one-click export actions. What you need is this folder downloaded from applypixels.com, and inside it you'll find a PSD file, and an ATN file, an actions file, and a README file. You will need a copy of Photoshop, preferably a newer one, CC15 or later. And before we get started, remember to import the actions into Photoshop. Double-click the ATN file, and that should import the actions into your actions pane. If you're not seeing your actions pane, you can always access it by going to Window and finding Actions. Great, let's take a look at this template. Open up the main PSD file, and it looks something like this. Now, this template works in pretty much the same way as my other icon templates. The idea here is that you want to edit the largest size, which is a nested smart object, and you want to have all of the other sizes rendered out automatically. We've got some wonderful preview stuff going on here where you can see your icon in the native environment. Out here on your right hand side on your layers pane, you'll see a bunch of different folders, but actually you only need to concern yourself with this one layer called Edit Me and Save. You want to right click that and hit Edit Contents. That opens up the icon PSB file, which is a nested smart object, and it's in here that you'll create your icon. Now, the iMessage app icons are a little special in the sense that they're rectangular and not a perfect square. This canvas is 1024 by 768, which is kind of fun. I can already hear you laughing. This smart object comes bundled with a bunch of different little things out here in the layers pane. We've got our wonderful glyph, we've got an outer mask and an inner mask, and a grid. We also have a bunch of the standard iOS gradients out here, which you can build off just to get you started, really. Now let's make a quick icon. We're not going to get too crazy here. Let's just hide the glyph, and we'll go out and we'll just do the good old heart. There we go. Just center that. And let's change the background to something wonderful like that. Remove the grid, and once we're done creating this masterpiece, we just hit Command S or Control S if you're on a Windows PC. It'll save out the smart object. Now you can close it, and now you'll see that all of the different sizes have been rendered out, and we even get to see the icon in what would presumably be your App Store page. That's really cool. Now, this workflow allows for really quick prototyping of icons. You can quickly see how stuff renders across different sizes and how it fits into other icons and the native environment. But once you're happy and you're ready to export your icon, you'll go and find those actions that we imported earlier. You'll notice that, like many other of my icon templates, this template comes bundled with two actions, a square icon export and a rounded icon export. Remember that Apple doesn't allow transparency in their icons. So if you're about ready to bundle these icons with your app, you want to use the square icon export, and we're just going to play that action. It's going to do some magic. It's going to prompt you for a place to save the files. Once the action is done, you'll go and find the folder that it just created called iMessage app icon squared. Open up that folder, and you'll see that it has created all of the different sizes that we need to bundle with our app. Really neat. If for some reason you want your icon exported with the mask intact, you can go and find the other action and hit play, and that creates a similar folder called iMessage app icon rounded, surprisingly. And if you open that folder, you'll see that it has all of the icons with the mask still applied. You might need these for presentational purposes, but do not bundle these with your app. And that is how you use the iMessage app icon template to very quickly create all the different sizes that you need to bundle with your iMessage app. You can get this template and other cool design resources by becoming a subscribing member at Apply Pixels. I hope this template helps you create awesome icons. Thanks for watching.